Buongiorno from our home in Sicily. Rolling hills, green as far as your eye can see, cows, sheep, organic foods, and great people. The occasion is our dear friend Professor Rosario Faraci's birthday. Him and his wife Agata put on an event in a beautiful organic farm. We're going to meet the farmer Giuseppe Grasso, who has a unique idea. He really has carved out a niche in terms of breeding Sicilian cows in organic pastures and also growing some wheat.
The farmers' foodstuffs is in demand for all of Italy, not just Sicily, Italy, all right? We're talking about Michelin level food that is in high demand all over the place.
It was a beautiful day. Let's go.
Here we go.
Esatto, diciamo. Quindi l'auto Vai così.
Vino. Of course, everything is local. Oh, even eggs. Sun-dried tomatoes, olives. Looks like, look at these different types of cheese. Fave, potatoes, salata.
Passano, ok, aspetta.
E che cosa?
Sugo di maiale.
Sugo di maiale.
Ragazzi, ma non avete più fame?
Però quello non
Direi che c'era un coltello verde. Vittorio, me li prendi i guanti di latte?
Beautiful. They are beautiful and majestic animals. Wow. Imagine eating out here among nature. Bio, that's organic meat, beans, barbecue. This is the true Sicily.
Ma poco, con poca decisione.
Che potevi fare anni, quindi ha già il suo modo sereno che è formato.
Giuseppe just said, the cows are like us. They like to be touched. They like love. They like to rest after eating. There's the birthday boy.
Una fra le prime è la gravidanza, che è 9 mesi, come noi.
Ti danno un colpo di coda, una sciabolata.
Now this is something I've never done before. We're taking a ride on a tractor with 50 people.
Guarda Elia, guarda là al latte.
How many cows do you have?
I had 350 cows.
Wow. And sheep?
And sheep only just 55, I think, yes.
Tell me why you decided to do this.
Because it was the natural direction, because my father family and my mother family both was farmers. And then when I was 22, I decided to be a farmer, to live in this place. Because I was grown in the city, but now this is my life. It's not just my work, but it's part of my life.
You live on the property.
Yes, I live in the property.
It's
I live
a
upstairs.
lot of work.
A lot of work. For this, if you have passion, you can make this work. If you don't have passion, it's impossible. Because the farm is like a chain. Every element, human elements, vegetable elements, and animal elements are piece of this chain. In this case, this farm is like a chain, a closed chain. You know?
And you studied business at the
Yes.
University of Catania. And did you work did you work before you did this?
I was in Spain. I worked for some company for a few years, but now I feel free.
You said,
And-
forget about the office.
Exactly.
I want to be
no
nature.
office. No office. And
This
here we
is
have
your
my son.
office.
Look at the bull how play. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Accomodatevi tranquillamente di là. Nina.
Beautiful. How old is the structure?
This building have like 200 years. Was built by a baron family, Beneventano. Seguitemi, vi accompagno.
Wow. Bimbi.
Guardate, le modicane le riconoscete, scusatemi.
Il manto, no?
Le riconoscete il manto? Questo colore si chiama olivastro. Mamma mia,
All of these have their own personalities that they passed down.
No, questa qui è giovane, ha 3 anni e non è ancora stata
This is God's country, I'll tell you what. See these windmills, by the way? One of the companies pays Giuseppe to put them on his farm. One of the most beautiful things about this whole experience is that Giuseppe's son is also working here at the farm. And so this work continues from Giuseppe's grandfather, father, him, and his son. The birthday man. Happy, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
60, and what a party. What a spot. Why did you choose this spot?
This location is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Because it's in the heart of the Sicilian, southern Sicily, eastern Sicily, and is one of the best part of the history of Sicily. You know, around there are a lot of animals. It's an incredible location. And for my birthday, one of my primary intention was to spend time with my friends in a bio-natural location.
And this is a growing field where people are going back to the ancient way of sheep and cows. Why is it important to keep this tradition?
No, it's not only for keeping tradition, but also to boost a different model of economy. Okay, we are looking around for developing tourism and other related activities, but in order to promote tourism, experiential tourism, for instance, it's important to start again from agriculture, from cattle. So it's not only to preserve tradition, but moving from tradition to boost a new economic model, circular economy, bioeconomy. I think that's an important frontier of development for Sicily.
And I think there's also a return for nature tourism.
Yes.
To be in touch with the earth.
Yes.
Hiking, things
Yes.
like eating natural foods.
Yes, yes. Yes, also because I don't believe that Sicily could be eligible for a form of mass tourism, mass market tourism, except some locations that are very crowded and they are really dealing with the problem of tourism. But except out of this exception, I think that the best model for Sicily is just to embrace tourism with nature, with having experience in the nature. This is the model, I think, that is the model of natural tourism.
I'm thrilled to be here. It's been a wonderful day.
Me too, me too.
Grazie mille.
Grazie, ciao.
È un partenese.
Francesca.
Sì, ma poi queste, vedi tutti i colori diversi,
Sì, all the
sfumature
different
diverse,
colors. The
sono
mix.
praticamente frutto di incroci con tante razze. Quelle che vedi lì più rosse sono un'altra razza francese, la Limousin.
Limousine.
Sì,
I
la
didn't know
Limousin.
this, but there's all different types of cows and bulls.
Quindi quelle vacche
Ah.
poi si accoppiano con questo toro e magari producono un vitello di questo colore, che
So
è
it could be
color miele, color frumento.
one baby a year, and most of these can do about 10 children. Incredible. This is their resting place. And apparently they're
Se tu osservi,
retasting
la
the
maggior parte
food.
di loro sta facendo questa
See,
operazione.
look at their
Noi li
mouth.
abbiamo un po'
It's
disturbati.
pregnant. From Sicily, indigenous to Sicily. Look at that. So why Vizzini? Why in this area are they producing such great cheese and salami and things like that? Well, primarily, we're an hour from Catania, the city, the metropolitan city where people can easily come here. He can sell his products in Catania. The other one is take a look around me. I mean, it's all open space, all green. I mean, there are other places like this in Sicily, but this one is one of the oldest. And boy, for Giuseppe to keep this tradition alive, it's huge. The ground here is incredibly fertile, not just because, you know, these guys left their caca, but also because of the volcanic nature of this soil. Now, when I say volcanic nature, it doesn't mean there was a volcano here, but it does mean that it has properties of volcano. Now, this right here is an edible plant, and it grows everywhere, really, really tall. Brand new on Amazon is Alfred's sixth book. Congratulations, Bunny. This is a big one. We also have in our Amazon shop a Kindle and paperback of your travel tips to Sicily, and also Alfred's 75-year-old life in Sicily. And you're on a rollout. What's this next book about?
Yeah, plus my other books that I have Reverse Immigrant and all this, but I went a little bit different this time. It's a novel. It's called The Infinity Protocol. It's based on a screenplay that I wrote over 25 years ago that I novelized right now. It's a science fiction / religious type of a military book. If you can,
It's a great
it's
book.
a thriller, and it's available on Amazon. All these books are available on Amazon as Kindle downloads as well. Just simply go to Amazon and search my name, Alfred Zappala, The Infinity Protocol.
Or my
Today,
name.
by the way,
Or my name.
or Esther. How can I forget Esther? and Esther and myself. And today
me in
we're launching
Sicily.
it. This weekend we're launching this Infinity Protocol. I hope you like it.
Congratulations. So proud of you.
Thank you very much. And there'll be merch coming out too pretty soon.
Let's go back to the programming. Ancient Sicilian grains. Tutti siciliano, vero?
Sì, we have 54.
54 different grains. Beautiful trinacria made out of lava, but not lava from Etna. Instead, there's a mountain here. They excavate lava, make all these beautiful things. And part of the house is also built from that pietra lavica, he calls it. Giovanni Verga is one of the most important Sicilian writers. He wrote a book on Attrezza, the Malivoglia, and then it was created into a movie, La Terra Trema. He was from Vizzini and wrote about Vizzini. So Vizzini is on the map for several reasons. The whole feel of this place, in the middle of all this beautiful green fields, the animals, the plants, beautiful people. You know what? I think we should add this experience to one of our tours. Not only is Giuseppe continuing what his grandfather and father did, but he's also passing it down to his children. He really wants his children to grow up among nature. Of course, they go to Catania. The city is not far away, but he really is keen on introducing them at an early age. Now we're going to meet another professor who is bringing students from the University of Catania to this very farm to introduce them to this ancient traditional way of breeding cows.
There's no place in the United States like this. And you know what I'm going to say this? Because in nearby Buccheri, the town next to it, their olives were so valuable during Roman times that they were used as trading currency. Okay, this is the best area, in my view, in all of Sicily that Esther visited.
It was truly a magical day, and it was so nice to celebrate Professor Rosario Faraci's birthday, and I had so much fun with Agata and all the people, and oh my gosh, going on that tractor trailer all over. It was really God's country. It was God's country in the middle of nature. Great day. Why is this territory so important?
Questo luogo è importante perché rappresenta la tradizione dell'allevamento siciliano. Noi qui notiamo l'allevamento tradizionale, l'allevamento bovino tradizionale, finalizzato alla produzione della carne, ma soprattutto a valorizzare territori, pascoli, che altrimenti non verrebbero opportunamente sfruttati.
Perché la mucca?
Noi definiamo questo sistema di allevamento al pascolo, ma soprattutto la presenza del vitello insieme alla madre, come un allevamento felice.
So they allow the baby cow to stay with the mother cow.
With the mother cow.
8-10 months.
Sì, per 7-8 mesi, fino a quando la madre non è già pronta nuovamente per partorire un altro vitello.
E perché questo aiuta?
Questo aiuta perché nel caso specifico il vitello mangia tutto il latte della mamma, non viene separato, quindi il vitello cresce più velocemente.
Oh, it grows faster.
Sì.
Very interesting. E tu hai detto che Sicilia e che altra fanno Toscana, mi pare.
Noi sì, siamo in Italia la regione insieme alla Toscana che alleviamo il maggior numero di razze autoctone, razze native, razze antiche, come ad esempio in questo caso la razza bovina modicana, che è una delle più antiche razze in Sicilia.
So this is a special breed of cows that only...
Modicana breed.
Modicana, okay, from Modica.
To Modica.
Yeah, and only here in Tuscany does it this way. Very
Questa razza è una razza a duplice attitudine, nel senso potrebbe essere anche munto in latte e trasformato in formaggio in ragusano cheese.
Ah, ok.
Che è un formaggio DOP. Qui però il latte Giuseppe non lo trasforma.
No.
Quindi il latte di questa vacca, c'è un vitello da qualche parte, lo mangia tutto il vitello. E quindi in questo caso la vacca viene definita vacca nutrice, cioè nel senso che fa la mamma a tempo pieno per tutti gli 8 mesi, perché il vitello sta sempre con la madre e mangia sempre il latte, costantemente.
Healthier too. Che la ricotta è buona per la dieta.
Sì, la ricotta non è un formaggio come abbiamo detto, ma si definisce latticino, viene prodotta dal residuo della lavorazione del formaggio, che è il siero, ed è molto digeribile, perfetta per essere utilizzata nelle diete alimentari.
Tu porti studenti per conservare questo vecchio...
dare la possibilità agli studenti dei corsi di laurea di conoscere le realtà produttive permette a loro di conoscere il territorio, di rendersi conto del lavoro degli allevatori, che non è soltanto produttivo, ma è finalizzato alla conservazione di questo ambiente così bello, così particolare.
This is a humongous treasure in the middle of really nowhere. My new Sicilian cup, Bedu, Alfred. We also have Yumi in Sicily tote bags and many
Great
other
quality tote bag.
Many other things with Yumi in Sicily, Sicilian Queen, and Bedu in our shop, and the link is right here below. We also have some other items with Sicily, with the provinces, so a lot for you to look at. click down below for our shop.
And there's going to be more coming really soon. But you haven't said anything about my Breaking
Oh my
Bad look
gosh,
here, Esther.
The brand new hat.
My Borsellino. This is the Cadillac of
Styling.
fedoras. I bought this in Rome on the way out, and I had to carry it on my lap.
This is so Alfred. Look at this.
That's me.
Here he is. That's him right there.
But anyways, we have some great stuff. Excellent quality to it. It's not junk. And it's printed in the United States of America. And shipped to you immediately. Go to our spread shop. Is that what it's called? Is there going to be a link there?
There sure is.
There's a link there.
66 Faraci. Faraci 60.
Look
at that. Birthday to you.
Bravo ragazzo, è un bravo ragazzo, nessuno lo può negare.
Devo fare discorso? Possiamo dire grazie a tutti voi, ciascuno di voi qui oggi, se è con me e con Agata a festeggiare, c'è un motivo, ciascuno di voi intimamente lo sa, per cui non c'è bisogno, come dire, di renderlo pubblico, significa che ognuno di voi è importante per me e per Agata, e so ancora di più che a voi una giornata del genere avrebbe fatto piacere. E siccome la felicità, dicono i grandi letterati.
What a beautiful and fun day at the farm, let me tell you, with our dear friends. So that was quite a treat for me. And I think next week, boy, we're going to start our May tour next week. So that's going to be, who knows where we're going to bring you highlights from. I'm looking forward to going to the Feast of San Alfio, your patron saint. And that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm loving my cup.
She really is the Sicilian queen. I have to say one thing about this one over here. She's legendary.
Thank you for watching so much.
Se benediga.
Love you guys. Ciao,
Grazie
ciao.
a Dio. Ciao, ciao.
Se benediga.
Se benediga. I said se benediga.